B A S E B A L L Baseball. B A S K E T B A L L Basketball. B B A L L L L Football. S K K E R Soccer. G L F Golf. Golf ball. My favorite sport is baseball. I like to hit the ball and catch the ball. Baseball. I like basketball too. During the winter, I play basketball. I like to dribble and shoot the ball. Woohoo! Basketball. I play football with my friend. I like to toss the ball and catch it. Playing football is fun. Football, woohoo! One of my favorite sport is soccer. I love to run and kick the ball. Soccer. Last one is golf. I tried playing golf and shoot it in a hole. It was fun.
Okay.
Golf. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.